dude, this is cool. What is it, bro? Well, just as far as like, you know, like man, as soon as I get to doing something like this, like, you know, like showing off or whatever, not even showing off, but like, yeah, dude. Man, that's awesome, Omar. That's cool. Very much appreciated, sir. Want to go down that hill? Kind of look for traffic a little bit, but we're good to go. Yeah, straight. Nice. Nice. Just like, yeah, this is fun stuff. Like right now, the channel is kind of like, it's about urban stuff, like biking and skating and stuff. But like, cool. But like, I kind of, yeah, well, yeah, I mean, actually, I'm actively like trying to not really rebrand, but like make it about whatever I want it to be about at any given time, you know? And they say that that's not the best way to, yeah. My fault. Oh yeah, we'll wait.
We can make a left.
Yeah, cool, make a left. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
After this one? Cool. No, dude. Cuz, man, you got those, yeah, it is, dude. Yeah, it's amazing. I spent a lot of time here over the summer, man. Like the first summer that I spent so much time here, yeah, it's pretty nice. I do appreciate like the green spaces and stuff and kind of what they represent since I've learned about it. This route? All the time. On my bike and on these skates. Oh, down here?
Yeah.
Shit, let's do it. Cool.
Heads out.
Yep. Hi. Hi. Hi, thank you. Hi. Go down there. Oh, go straight. Oh, shoot. Oh! Are you born? Are you Oklahoma native?
Nah, man. I was born here, but I was raised in Texas, bro.
Cool.
And I moved away. Recently came back.
Yeah.
I travel a lot, man, so I just kind of try to live in different places
Yeah.
for short times.
Cool. Oh, shoot. I'm jumping on my water out. It feels so funny, dude.
Nah, bro, it's all good. It's being expressive, man. You're an artist.
That way here? Oh shoot, lost my bud.
Oh, no.
I know, man, I did get one of those, you don't want like the crest? Twisting over?
Yeah.
Far back, I admit, but. Hello. Hi, guys.
Take a left right here.
Ah.
All the way straight.
Let's go here. Whoop, whoop. Let's go, yeah, let's go that way. Passing on your left. Hi. Hi, guys. Well, passing on your left, guys.
Watch out, watch out.
Hey, no, you guys are great. Good to see you. Good to see you.